Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class. And today we are going to start the last chapter, construction. To construct children, take your interleaf copy, take your geometry copy, your geometry box. Be ready with pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale and other materials. Okay? So we are going to start the chapter, construction. So today we are going to learn construction topic children. See here the first question is draw a line segment AB equal to 5.2 centimeter and draw a perpendicular bisector of AB. So see how to do. Take your scale. On your scale you can see the centimeter scale that is written here. 0 to 15 centimeter is this one. We have to draw only 5.2. So we will start from 0 and we will come to 5, then 1, 2, the small divisions. So this is 5.2. After that, we will name it by AB. The line segment AB of 5.2 centimeter is drawn. Now with the help of compass, we will bisect it. How to bisect it? See carefully. Take one end of the line segment as a center and more than half of AB as the radius. See children. More than half of AB as the radius. One end as the center, more than half of AB as the radius, one arc above the line segment, one arc below the line segment. Now without changing the radius, we will take other end as the center and make one arc above which will intersect the previous arc, one arc below the line segment again which will intersect the previous arc. You are watching that both the arcs are intersecting each other. Now with the help of scale and pencil, we will join these intersection points. See here. This line is the perpendicular bisector of AB. With the help of scale, you can see that. See, this one is 2.6. Okay. So your construction is correct. This is also 2.6 because half of 5.2 is 2.6. So this portion is also 2.6 and this portion is also 2.6. That means this line is perpendicular bisector of AB. With the help of protractor, if you measure, you will find this angle 90 degree. That is why this line is called perpendicular bisector of AB. See once again what is the process. With the help of scale, we will draw a line segment of 5.2 centimeter. See this. Then one end as a center, more than half of the line as a radius, one arc above, one arc below. Without changing the radius, take other end as a center, make one arc above which will intersect the previous arc, one arc below which will intersect the previous arc. Now with the help of scale, we will join the intersection points. Okay, see this one. So when you draw it, you will get a line which will be called the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. Understood? This line will be called perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Understood how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment? Okay, now see the second question. Draw a line segment AB which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then take a point P on it such that PB is equal to 2.3 centimeter and then draw a perpendicular to AB at point P. Using the first part ruler and compass, second ruler and set square. So see how to do. First we are going to do the first part. So first we will draw the line segment AB of 4.5 centimeter. So we will measure from 0 to 4.5. See this one. This line segment we will name it A and B. Okay. Then we have to take a point P on this AB such that PB is 2.3. That means from B we will measure 2.3 centimeter. See this one. This is 2, 1, 2, 3. The small divisions. So this point is 2.3 and we will name it P. Understood? Your this PB is 2.3 centimeter and this complete AB is, this is 4.5 centimeter. Now with the help of ruler and compass we have to draw perpendicular at point P. Children, you should know perpendicular means 90 degree. That means at point P we will draw the 90 degree angle. So see carefully how to draw. Take P as a center. P as a center. Make one semicircle. See this one. Since AB is a straight line, your this angle is 180 degree. If we bisect this angle, then automatically we will form a 90 degree angle and that will be perpendicular to AB. So see how to bisect this 180 degree angle. To bisect 180 degree angle, again we will take this intersection point as a center. We will measure this arc. See how to measure. One end needle of the compass, other end pencil point. Okay. One arc above. Without changing the radius, we will take another end as a center and we will make one arc above which will intersect the previous arc. Now this will be joint with P. This intersection point will be joint with P. See this one. This line is perpendicular to AB. Understood? Now second part, using ruler and set square. So children, what is the set square? I am showing you. In your geometrical box, there are two triangles shape is there. This is called the set square. One is the larger one is the smaller one. Children, in the smaller one, see this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 30 degree. This point we have to learn. In the set square, this bigger triangle, this angle is 90 degree, this is 60 degree and this angle is 30 degree. Same as in the second one, here this angle is 90 degree, this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree. So if we have to draw a perpendicular with the help of set square and scale, so first by taking the scale we will draw a line segment AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. So see here, with the help of scale we will draw the line segment of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, this is AB. Then PB equal to 2.3. So from B we will measure 2.3. See here, we are keeping the point B at 2.3 and then we are coming to at 0. See this one. This point is P. On this P, we will put our scale here, just below the line. And then we will take our set square and we will bring it on the scale and we will slide it to the point P. See this one. I have brought it at the P. See carefully. I have arranged my scale just below the line segment. Then I have brought this set square on the scale and then we will slide it. It will reach to the point P. See this one. When it reaches to the point P, then remove your scale and with the help of pencil draw the line. See this one. This line is perpendicular, means this angle is 90 degree. Understood how to draw with the help of set square a perpendicular? Now children, after learning perpendicular, bisector and perpendiculars, we are going to make triangles. So see how to draw the triangles. In your book there is the question, draw a triangle ABC such that, see this one, this is triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.6 centimeter and CA is equal to 4.3 centimeter. That means you have to draw a triangle in which all the sides are given. So children, when you are doing a construction, draw a rough diagram here. ABC, this is the triangle in which AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 4.6 centimeter and CA is 4.3 centimeter. This is the rough diagram. Now with the help of scale and compass, we will draw the triangle. So first take your scale, draw a line segment of 5 centimeter which will be equal to AB. So how you will draw? Arrange your scale on your notebook, take your pencil, keep it at 0 and then bring it to the 5 centimeter. See, this is the 5. Okay, from 0 to 5. Your this line segment is equal to AB, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Now second line segment is BC, which is equal to 4.6. So how you will measure it? Take your compass, put your compass needle at 4.6. Okay, and bring your pencil to the 0. Otherwise, put your compass needle at 0 and arrange your pencil for 4.6. Both the ways you can measure it. Now your this compass has been arranged for 4.6 centimeter. Now take B as a center and make one arc above the line segment AB. Okay, this is the first arc. Now we will arrange our compass for AC, that is 4.3. How? At 4.3, put your compass needle, bring your pencil to 0. Now it has been arranged for 4.3. Taking A as a center, we will make one arc which should intersect the previous arc. Now see here, previous arc is not intersecting. So we will make this arc and again we will arrange our compass for 4.6. See, this is 4.6. So taking B as a center, we will make such arc that which will intersect this arc. Understood? The arc made from B and arc made from A, both should intersect each other. Now with the help of a scale, this intersection of arcs will be joined with B and this will be joined with A also. Understood? So this point is C. Now write down the measurements here. Understood how you will draw the triangles if all the three sides are given? First draw line segment AB equal to 5 centimeter. Then take B as a center, make one arc of 4.6 centimeter. Arrange your compass for 4.3. Take A as a center, make one arc of 4.3 which will intersect the previous arc. Your this intersection point will be C. Now join C to A and C to B. That will be your required triangle. Okay, if all the three sides are given, then this is the method. Now we are going to learn another type of triangle in which two side and one angle is given. See, suppose there is triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 5 centimeter. A triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 5 centimeter and angle BCA is equal to 60 degree and CA is equal to 4.3. CA is equal to 4.3 centimeter. Again children, to draw it, first we will draw a rough diagram. See this one ABC, where BC is 5 centimeter. BCA, this angle which is equal to 60 degree and CA is 4.3 centimeter. So see how to draw this. Again we will take our scale. With the help of scale, we will draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. See carefully. From 0 to 5. See this one. 0 to 5 centimeter. Okay. We will name it. This is B. This is C. Now at point C we have to draw 60 degree angle. For that we will take our compass. We will take C as a center. we will make one arc of any radius. Yes children, any radius you can take. Then after this arc is intersecting BC at a point, we will take this point as a center and we will make one arc which will intersect the previous arc. Understood? Now your this intersection of arcs will be joined with C. See here, from C we will draw a line which will pass through this intersection point. Your this angle will be of 60 degree. Okay, now we have to make CA for 4.3. Then again on our scale we will arrange our compass for 4.3. so at 4.3 I have kept my needle and at 0 pencil. Okay, see this one. In this way we will measure 4.3. Now taking C as a center, we will make arc which will intersect this line at a point. Okay, your this point will be A, and with the help of a scale A will be joined with B. So this is your required triangle in which two sides and one angle is given. Okay, now we are going to learn another triangle in which two angle and one side is given. See this, suppose triangle XYZ we have to draw, in which XY is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle X is equal to 60 degree and angle Y is equal to 45 degree. So see children, how to draw this triangle. Again, before construction we will draw a rough diagram. See, XY line segment is given, so XY I am putting here and this is angle Z or vertex Z. XY is 4.5, angle X we have to draw 60 degree and angle Y we have to draw 45 degree. So see how to draw this triangle. Again, first we will take the scale. With the help of a scale, we will draw the line segment of 4.5 centimeter. So from 0 to 4.5, see here. Okay, we will name it X and Y. After that, we will take our compass. First, we will draw 60 degree angle because it is easy. By taking X as a center, an arc, see this one. You can take radius of any length. Okay, we will make some arc here. Then this intersection as a center, we will intersect the previous arc which will be 60 degree. This intersection point will be joined with X. This X will join from this intersection. So your this angle is 60 degree. Now at point Y we will draw 45 degree angle. To draw the 45 degree angle, first we will draw 90 degree and then we will bisect it. Okay, so take Y as a center, make one arc, see this one. Okay, how to draw 90 degrees? See carefully. First we draw 60 degree, then taking 60 degree as a center, we will make one more arc which will be 120 degree. At the same time, we will make one arc above. Now we will take 120 degree as a center, again we make one arc above. This arc will denote the 90 degree. So first we will join this 90 degree arc from Y with dotted lines. See this one. Because we have to draw 45 degree and this line is the supporting line, that is why I have drawn it with dotted line. Now we will bisect 90 degree angle. How to bisect? We have learned. We will measure this arc, the arc which has been made for 90 degree. We will measure this arc. How? This intersection as a center, another intersection we will put our pencil. Okay, now make one arc here in the middle somewhere. By changing the place, where we kept the pencil, there we will keep the needle and we will make one arc again. Are you watching it? This intersection will be joined with Y, then that angle will be of 90 degree. So with the help of a scale, point Y will be joined with this intersection of the arcs. You can see that this arc, when we draw with Y, we are getting a line. This is 45 degree angle, and this line is intersecting the angle which is making 60 degree from X. So this intersection point will be Z. So this X, Y, Z is the required triangle. Understood? So children, for today only this much. On the next turn we will learn some more constructions. Okay, bye bye.